Hi, so I've come today to the EMF College in Cudworth to commence the Perfectly Defined Brows course. Some of you will know that I'm going to be offering this in the salon from this weekend coming. I'll be updating everybody on here as to what they have to do prior to the appointment, such as patch tests, etc. It is now 9:25, the course starts at 10 o'clock, so I'm going to get myself in there now. I'll come back at lunchtime, update you how the course is going, and then at the end of the day we'll show you everything that we need to show you with regards to the treatment. I can't wait to update you all on what it is I'm going to be doing and the in-depth knowledge behind the course. As I always keep saying, it's very, very important that there's safety and beauty and that you ensure that the people that you're going to are professional and properly trained. So any courses that I commence, obviously I will do one of these little videos for you, and at least that way that you can see that I am a fully qualified professional. Like I said, I'll get back to you soon this afternoon and let you know how we're getting on. So we've just come out now from the first part of the training course at EMF Beauty, and the first part was so interesting. The in-depth knowledge that you need behind doing waxing and tinting, the threading side of it and the tweezering has all been covered as well. The consultation forms, the contraindications, I will let you guys know all about this in a video that I'll do at some point this week, and let you know when the treatment's going to be available. It should be, like I say, this coming weekend, which I think is the 13th of March. And then obviously from then I'll be putting offers on, etc., for getting clients to come in and try the treatments. I'll let you know all about pricings and everything later on this afternoon when I finish doing the course, and hopefully we can get some of you booked in. So I'll see you soon, and I'll go finish the rest of the course now. Bye. Hi, so you can see today I'm doing my training at the EMF College in Cudworth, and I'm doing the Perfectly Defined Brows course. They've been so kind as to let me do some filming today for my channel, and I'm going to show you a little bit around the EMF College now and meet some other people. So without further ado, let's go and have a look round, and I will see you all soon.